Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol EBIO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this may look like a couple weeks worth of time right there, it's actually just the past 2 days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I did this analysis yesterday, so that's where these red and green line annotations are coming from. And while today is not really an update, it's more so just kind of a confirmation of a couple levels that I've talked about in the past, that really are still pertaining to the chart. The main one right here, at that red line, which is the level of resistance at $2 and about 88 cents, right around that area that I talked about yesterday. And when I say confirmation, it is still indeed acting as a level of resistance. And the problem at this point, and I don't mean problem as in like everything's a total disaster, but the problem is the bulls are just struggling to get a true break. What is a true break? Well, a true break of a resistance has two parts. The first part's the obvious one. Well, yeah, the price has to break above a level. But then the second part is, well, then the price has to be able to maintain above it. It's got to be able to stay above it. So case in point right here, yeah, the price broke above it. Same again today, this morning during that first 30 minutes, the price did break above it. But then when it came to being able to maintain above it, it could not maintain. So for whatever reason, 288 is just being a very stubborn level of resistance. Not saying it can, it can never get a true break. Just saying that as it stands right now, 288 is definitely, kind of that key level to keep an eye on. If continuation is going to, continue, I should say, then, that's definitely, the hurdle that needs to be crossed and stayed above. After that level of resistance, next key one up there at $3.20. In regards to levels of support, I mean, nothing bad at all going on at the end of the day. I mean, if you picture where these lows are compared to where that low is, compared to where that low is down there, and then, if you picture those as stair steps and start drawing stair steps like that, I mean, stair steps going in the upwards direction, assuming, of course, you're long. I mean, that's the name of the game. That's what you want to see from a bullish perspective. If the whole stair step thing's a little, all right, what do you... Easiest way to look at that, just keep an eye on the purple line right there, as I've talked about in past videos. As long as the price is above that purple line, which is the 50-period simple moving average, then as far as I'm concerned, the bulls are in full control, bulls are in full health. And, that's just, like I said, a very easy way to look at it, because when you stop and think about it, well, if the price is going to stay above an increasing line, well, then that means the price itself needs to also be increasing over time. And again, that's what bullish moves do, right? So all in all, though, not the most exciting day, especially after that kind of opening 30 minutes, but by no means was it a terrible day either. And as long as those higher bases continue to be built, that's what you want to see. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interested in and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point. And like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good weekend.